House keys, office keys, car keys. Make room in your pockets. BMW turns the device that's with you all the time anyway into a BMW car key, your smartphone. The digital key is the safe and elegant way to lock and unlock the doors, to start the engine of your BMW, and to share it with friends and family without leaving your smartphone out of your hands. To use the digital key, the option Comfort Access, the BMW Connected app, and a connected drive account are required. Security is the top concern when it comes to activating and authorizing your digital key. This is why the digital key relies on an established security technology, also used for mobile payments with smartphones. Furthermore, this technology has been optimized for the digital key use. Also, the activation process as well as any changes require a two-step confirmation procedure to ensure that you are in control at all times. The authorization requires for you to look up your BMW partner just once. Your service agent will need a proof of ownership for your car, as well as your official identification. This is to make sure that only you with your smartphone are able to unlock and drive your BMW. As soon as your service agent has verified your details, you can install the digital key on your compatible smartphone. Also, during the authorization process, a 4-digit code of your choice is implemented, which you will need when you want to share your digital key. As of now, your digital key is stored in the BMW Connected app. Simply start the app on your compatible smartphone and install it. This may take a few minutes. Now your digital key is ready for use and you can unlock the car doors. In a last step, the digital key needs to be enabled for starting the engine. To initialize that function, the standard key must be used just this once. Place your smartphone on the smartphone pad. Your digital key will be recognized and you can unlock it on the control display. Once you confirm, you can use your smartphone as a car key. The digital key comes in especially handy when you want to share your car with friends or family. For this purpose, select Digital Key for 5 in the Connected Drive store to create 5 additional keys that you can share. The recipient only needs the BMW Connected app and a connected drive account on a compatible smartphone. Just enter the recipient's username and it's on. Now the Connected app creates a 4-digit transaction number for you to relay to the recipient together with your 4-digit code, preferably via telephone. The recipient now receives an invitation from his BMW Connected app. Once he accepts, the digital key installs to his smartphone. The recipient can now open the car. To start the engine, the smartphone needs to be placed on the smartphone pad, and code and transaction number need to be entered once. All of your digital keys can be monitored at all times in your BMW Connected app. As part of the package, you will also receive a key card that provides the same functions as the digital key. Before first use, it must be activated in the car. Just place the key card on the smartphone pad and confirm it via the control display, just as you did with the digital key. To confirm your identity and to complete the activation, either your digital key or your standard car key is needed. Please have in mind, never leave the activated key card in your vehicle. You will come to appreciate your key card when you temporarily hand over your car, for example during valet parking or when having it serviced at your BMW service center. The new digital key turns your smartphone into your car key. It can be shared anytime and provides you with more flexibility as to how you enjoy your BMW. BMW Connected Drive. So connected, you're free.